How to change the background color of Instagram stories on your Android phone. So if you want to change the background color of your Instagram stories on your Android device, then this video might help you. Make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you'll be able to explore the various feeds or videos over here. So if you tap over your story option at the left upper corner over here, you'll be able to see the camera and other videos or the photos available on your gallery. You just can tap over the camera, and here you have to either tap a photo or you can also upload the photo from your story. For that, you just can tap over the photo option in the left bottom corner, and here you have to select the photo that you want to have in your story. You can resize this photo like this, and you can see the background color has been automatically selected by the Instagram according to your photo color. But if you are not satisfied with the color chosen by the Instagram and you want to re-edit that, then the first thing is you need to tap over the three-dotted horizontal line in the right upper corner, and here are two options, draw and save. Just go for draw, and all of the colors are available at the bottom, and at the upper section you can see there are markers and eraser and many more. You can also press over the colors and you can select the color that you want to have on your background like this. And once you select, you just can hold on the background over here, and you can see the color has been changed, but the thing is the photo is dismissed. Now the first thing is you just have to tap over the erase option at the upper section right next to marker, and you can erase like this, and by doing that you can see my photo is visible now. You can erase like this until you see your photo clearly. And after that, you just can tap over the done option at right upper corner, and you can put it on your story. This is the first way. Now the second way is you just can go back and discard this. And once again, you can select the photo that you want to have, and once again tap over the three-dotted horizontal line at the right upper corner and go for draw option. So like the previous way, you have to select the color by holding the colors over here, and you just can hold on the background that you want to have the color. And you can see the color has been changed. Now you just can tap over the done option at the right upper corner, and here right next to the text there is a sticker like option. Just tap over there, and if you scroll down, there will be the option for editing the photo. Just tap over the plus option, and here you can select the photo that you want to have on your story. And here you can see the photo has been edited easily, and the background color has also been edited. Now you just can tap over the your story option, and the story will be added to your Instagram account. So these are the ways to change the background color of your Instagram stories from your Android device. So hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.